welcome to another video. It's Leah from Lee McDonald 17, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some things that I got from my friend Nicole today that I haven't had time to show you yet. So yeah, let's start. She sent me a letter saying, I'm just going to do it so here's. Hi Lee McDonald, I am a big fan and also one of your old best friends. I was wondering if you would accept this present that I made you. It is really bad, but I've heard you like squishies, so here it is. Oh, P.S. Sorry about the ratchetness of the manju bun. Okay, so here's the first squishy. This one is a crackling white squishy. It's supposed to be a snowball, it says. It's very good. I love it. Squishiness is amazing. I think this is supposed to be the manju bun. It's cool. It's so slow rising though. I don't know what she uses to make her squishies. They're so good. This is let me check. A liquid starch squishy. Oh, I love this one. This one's so nice. It smells nice as well. It has slime in it, she says. So yeah, this is the next squishy. And this is the last one. It's a panda. Look. So cool. So bye guys.